Spelling, Week 22. Number 1, bear. Bear. The bear eats fish and berries. Watch out for the bear. Bear. Number 2, air. Air. The air smells fresh in the forest. I love the fresh air. Air. Number 3, fair. Fair. Do you have any change for your bus fare? Do you have any change for the bus fare? Fair. Number 4, pear. Pear. Eat the pear that is soft and ripe. Pear. Number 5, care. Care. We will care for you if you are sick. Care. We care about you. Care. Number 6, there. There. They put the food in their packs. They put the food in their packs. There. Number 7, hair. Hair. You should brush your hair every day. Hair. Number 8, bear. Bear. The wind felt cold on Ed's bare head. Bear. Number 9, fair. Fair. I played a fair game and I did not cheat. Fair. That's not fair. Fair. Number 10, there. There. Please place your marker there. There. Number 11, pear. Pear. I got a new pair of shoes. Pear. Pear. Number 12, wear. Wear. Which hat should I wear to the party? Wear. Number 13, chair. Chair. Kelly sat down in the chair. Chair. Number 14, where. Where. I know where to find the lost dog. Where. Where. Number 15, hare. Hare. The fox chased the hare in the woods. Hare. I love the story, The Hare and the Tortoise. Hare. Challenge words. 16, beware. 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 Beware of the big bear. Beware. 17, compare. 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 How can you compare cats and dogs? Compare. And let's try a super challenge. Comparison. Number 18, comparison. Comparison.